grey rain falls, the grey rain falls, drifting silent through empty halls. It sweeps this quiet, forgotten town, over old fields where dreams lie down. It hums like a song that's lost its way, a quiet song near the window's pane, where memories gaze at those who strayed. So many chased what desire would show, so few returned when the longing slowed. Nearly I'm here, this grey refrain locked in the whispers of endless rain. Is it the gas far and wide that guards me now with no place to hide? Through the struggle of lies unknown, the rain falls soft in my face, it clings, endless and steady, a sorrow it brings. What pulls me forward, what makes me stray? Do I choose this road or am I prey to the ache of dreams I've never known, blown on a wind where old hearts have roamed, to lands I've never seen before, yet feel I've lived in forevermore. A child returned, in tears to find a life it lost but left behind. What calls me here, what sends me on? What is this tune, both cruel and fond? What is the song I've yet to hear, the haunting melody near and near? Oh, song dances on the wind. I don't recall where I was born, for everywhere I've gone I'm torn. I wander without road to go, a stranger bound to distant souls. To all things lost like rain that stays, falling softly in endless haze. The grey rain falls, the grey